being given the scenario. This is the scenario. This says what the story or the situation.
Yeah.
And after that, you are being given questions, right? You can see. Question part A, define marketing and explain how understanding the marketplace and customer needs is important for Greenleaf organic success. Part B suggests two methods for Greenleaf to use gather. You can use Greenleaf can use to gather marketplace information. Two methods to gather marketplace information. Very easy, but remember those two questions, whatever the information should be obtained from the scenario. So you read the scenario, get the relevant information, and think and write, right? Remember these mini cases, you don't have to put the entire thing, memorize, hand out information, no need. Only the definitions, like specific things you put from the handout, that is okay. But you need to think. These case studies, these mini case studies that I have given, will warm up you, will brush up you, will train you to think out of the box. Right? දැන් මේවට අපි මැනේජ්මන්ට් වල කියන්නේ සිද්ධි කියලා. සිද්ධි අධ්‍යයනය. case studies සිද්ධි අධ්‍යයනය. right? එතකොට දැන් case studies ඇවිල්ලා පිටු 2 4 8 10 12 ඒ වගේ ලොකු case studies තියෙනවා. right? එතකොට professional exams වල ගත්තොත් ඔය සීමා වල CIMA UK වල final stage top සීමා වල cases, right? Since I am from that background, I know I have done like 6 to 8 pages. පිටු 6 8 ලොකු cases දෙන්නේ. ඒක කියවලා එකකින් information එළියට අරගෙන ඊට පස්සේ ප්‍රශ්න වගේක් තියෙනවා ඒවට අර වැංගත්තු information උත් අරගෙන we have to think. හරි හිතලා ලියන්න තියෙනවා, right? Even chartered, I think the chartered accountants, they also have the final case study, right? අන්න ඒකයි. එතකොට